Hey guys, Richard here. So in this video I want to talk to you about another big mistake that most affiliate marketers make when they first come online. Now these series of videos, I call them my affiliate tips, are just things that I've experienced through my time online that I'm hoping I give you a little bit of advice if you're first starting out to make sure you don't go down these pitfalls. Now some of them I know you'll do anyway because all of us do when we come online, but this was especially one that is dear to my heart because I suffer from this still now and I have to really train myself to come away and not actually look at this specific thing when I first start doing my affiliate marketing campaigns and ongoing when I actually build up my content on my channels. Now that thing is your vanity metrics. Now what do I mean by vanity metrics? I mean your subscriber count, I mean your follower count, I mean the views that you get on videos, all of these different types of metrics that you can get now when you're on any of these platforms that really affect the way that you do marketing every single day. So I'm going to give you kind of some examples of this. If you like these types of videos, guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe and notification bell and I'll let you know whenever I produce new content just like this one. And if you're completely new and you want to learn how to build a real business online with affiliate marketing, you go ahead and check out that link in the description below. There's an affiliate bootcamp there that'll get you started straight away. So guys, let's talk about vanity metrics. Now I'm going to jump into my YouTube channel here and I'm going to show you the type of metrics that you can start looking at when you're in YouTube. Whatever I'm going to say now is applicable whether you're doing blogging, whether you're on Quora, whether you're on Facebook trying to build a group, whatever it may be. This is all very relevant. Now one thing you do find when you come on any of these networks is you've got lots of data, and you'll see here that I'm using something called vidIQ. Now if I turned all these off, so I'm going to put these back on for you, and these are the actual metrics that I have every single day. Now I've turned them off because this was actually affecting the way that I was actually doing my content and my marketing to my audience online. It's very important that when you're actually marketing or being a real affiliate marketer online, that you put your audience first and you don't actually look at what you want to get out of that affiliate marketing. I know guys, you want to make money. That's absolutely key to obviously having a business. But in this game, in the affiliate marketing game, you've got to think long term and you can't start thinking about the money first. If you do, you will definitely quit very quickly, because you'll find that if you're in the make money online niche and you're trying to buy push button software, that doesn't work. And when you start putting content out, first of all, whether it's blogging, whether it's YouTube, you get very low view counts, and that'll also put you off and you won't want to actually repeat that and start building more and more content. You've got to be really focused on what kind of value and what kind of content you're going to bring your audience so that you can then start actually promoting goods and services to that particular audience. It's all about the niche. I've talked about this several times before. The niche you're in, making sure that niche is correct and you're actually promoting the right type of things to that niche, and also bringing value to that niche. So what can you offer? What kind of information and tips can you offer that particular niche that you can actually help you build their trust, build the trust with them so they'll spend their money with you, and also give them the knowledge that they need to actually build businesses of their own online, or just get information online that they might need. It's very valuable. Now when you actually look at your view count, for instance, for certain videos that I would publish, or I look at watch hours or whatever it may be, when you're first starting out, it literally doesn't matter, because you're actually trying to learn how to build videos, how to do blog posts online. You're trying to learn how to do the content. Over time, when you get more and more established, then you can start looking at certain videos or certain types of blog posts and see whether they're resonating. But at the first, guys, if you're a beginner, you've got to stop looking at view counts and content. There is a great video by Roberto Blake. I will actually put it in the description below because I think it's really worth watching. And he talks about making 100 bad videos before you actually even think about looking at what your channel is actually going to be all about. Obviously within certain niches. You can do that with blog posts, you can do that with any kind of content, and the idea is you need to rinse and repeat, and you need to keep putting that content out there to get that experience, to learn how to really put really valuable content on the internet that people want to consume. So vanity metrics are the worst thing you can look at. If I look at a video and realize it's only had 100 views over the last couple of weeks and that affects the way that I do my next video, I've completely lost, because I'm not actually giving the value to the folks that actually did watch that video for a start, and I'm actually losing the sight on what I'm trying to do. I'm not actually trying to get views on every video. It may sound silly. What I'm trying to do is give value to certain sets of people on each of the videos that that I do, that overall, once I do want to promote something to them, they'll obviously trust me because I'm giving away free information, and they'll actually want to purchase off me because I'm the one that they can see over and over again is actually putting a bit of value out there online. That's the idea, guys. So if you're getting sucked into your daily metrics on your blog, if you've got the VidIQ or whatever open on your phone or on your YouTube, I deleted mine off my phone very, very recently. You've got to turn all that off because it's only going to put you off. It's going to affect you emotionally. And one big rule here is nobody cares about your emotions. They care about the content you put out onto the internet. Your emotions are immaterial to them. So keep that in mind, guys. So I hope this was valuable to you. Just a little bit of an insight into something that I'm really learning as well. I struggle with this as well, going back to my old videos, seeing what was resonating with people. I'm really kind of learning at the same time as you folks. And I want you to make sure that if you're a beginner, please ignore those metrics and just make the content as valuable as you can, and then over time you can start looking at your business a little deeper. Again, hope that's valuable to you. My name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. Go ahead and hit that subscribe and notification bell if you're interested in these types of videos. And guys, if you really want to build a business online using affiliate marketing, you can hit the link in the description below over to School of Nomads and we'll get you started straight away. Until next time, guys, take care.